Have you ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? Imagine waking up to notifications of sales, all while you were catching those Z's. We're talking about a revolution in passive income. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius to take advantage of it. In this video, we're diving deep into 15 incredible AI tools that are changing the game. We'll break down each tool, showing you exactly how it works and how it can put cash in your pocket, even while you're busy doing what you love. Alright, let's kick things off with one of my favorite things about AI, its ability to create content. We're talking about high-quality blog posts, engaging social media updates, even scripts for videos like this one. You input your ideas, keywords, and desired tone, and boom! The AI works its magic, spitting out fresh, original content that's ready to be shared with the world. This frees up your time to focus on other aspects of your business or, actually getting some sleep. Trust me, once you experience the ease and efficiency of AI content creation, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Next up, we're talking about those little digital helpers that are popping up everywhere, AI-powered chatbots. These new chatbots are like having a team of friendly and efficient customer service reps available 24/7, ready to answer questions, resolve issues, and even close deals. Think about it. No more late-night emails or frantic phone calls from customers in different time zones. AI chatbots handle it all, providing instant support and personalized experiences that keep your customers happy and coming back for more. It's like having a team of super-powered customer service agents who never get tired, never complain, and always know the right thing to say. Have you ever dreamt of becoming a published author, sharing your knowledge and stories with the world? Well, guess what? AI can help you make that dream a reality. With AI-powered ebook writing tools, you can go from idea to published author faster than you can say bestseller. These tools act as your co-writer, helping you structure your book, generate compelling content, and even optimize it for different platforms. Imagine plugging in your ideas, key takeaways, and desired writing style, and then watching as the AI weaves it all together into a polished, professional ebook. So, if you've got a story to tell or knowledge to share, don't let it sit there gathering dust. Unleash your inner author with the power of AI and watch your ebook sales soar. Okay, let's talk about another exciting way AI is changing the game: online course creation. If you've got expertise in a particular area, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. AI-powered course creation tools can handle all the heavy lifting, helping you structure your curriculum, generate engaging content, and even market your course to the right audience. Imagine having AI analyze popular online courses in your niche, identifying key topics, learning objectives, and even the most effective teaching styles. Then, it takes all that data and helps you create a course that's not only informative, but also highly engaging and tailored to your target audience. Now let's talk about a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to make money online: SEO, or search engine optimization. The higher you rank, the more people see your content, and the more potential customers or clients you reach. AI-powered SEO tools are like having a team of digital marketing gurus working behind the scenes, analyzing your website, researching keywords, and optimizing your content to make sure it gets seen by the right people. They can even track your rankings, analyze your competitors, and suggest improvements to your overall SEO strategy. It's like having a personal SEO assistant who never sleeps, constantly working to improve your online visibility and drive more traffic to your site. Let's face it, social media can feel like a full-time job. But fear not, my friends, because AI is here to rescue you from social media overwhelm. AI-powered social media management tools are like having a personal social media manager. Imagine having AI analyze your target audience, identifying their interests, behaviors, and the best times to post for maximum engagement. Then, it can automatically schedule your posts across multiple platforms, track their performance, and even suggest content ideas based on trending topics. AI can also help you manage your community, responding to comments and messages with personalized responses that make your followers feel heard and valued. Now let's dive into the world of finance, where AI is making serious waves in the stock market. These AI-powered trading platforms are like having a personal financial advisor who can process massive amounts of data in real time, spotting patterns, and making predictions. Imagine having AI analyze historical stock data, economic indicators, and even news sentiment to identify stocks that are poised for growth. Then, it can execute trades on your behalf, buying low and selling high, all while minimizing your risk and maximizing your potential returns. By leveraging the power of AI, you can gain a significant edge in the market and potentially grow your wealth while you sleep. Who says you need years of art school to create stunning visuals? With AI, anyone can become an artist, even if you can barely draw a stick figure. AI art and design tools are like having a digital paintbrush that can transform your ideas into breathtaking masterpieces, from abstract paintings to photorealistic images, and even 3D models. Imagine typing in a few keywords, like surreal landscape with floating islands and neon waterfalls, and watching as the AI generates a series of unique and captivating images based on your description. And the best part? You can sell your AI-generated art online, on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, or even as NFTs, non-fungible tokens, turning your creative spark into a profitable side hustle. Email marketing is still one of the most effective ways to reach your target audience, build relationships, and drive sales. But let's be real, crafting compelling email campaigns that convert can be time-consuming. That's where AI comes in, like a digital marketing assistant, ready to help you personalize your messages, automate your campaigns, and boost your ROI, return on investment. AI-powered email marketing tools can analyze your audience data, identifying their interests, behaviors, and purchase history. Imagine sending out emails that automatically adjust their content based on the recipient's past interactions with your brand, increasing the likelihood of a purchase. In today's data-driven world, making informed decisions is crucial for any business or individual looking to succeed. But sifting through mountains of data can feel overwhelming, like trying to find a needle in a haystack. That's where AI-powered data analysis and reporting tools come in, acting like digital detectives, uncovering hidden insights and patterns that would otherwise remain buried. These tools can process massive data sets from various sources, identifying trends, correlations, and anomalies that can help you make better decisions, optimize your strategies, and gain a competitive edge. Imagine having AI analyze your website traffic data, identifying which pages are performing well, where visitors are coming from, and what actions they're taking on your site. Dropshipping has become a popular business model, allowing entrepreneurs to sell products online without holding any inventory. However, finding winning products, managing suppliers, and fulfilling orders can still be time-consuming. That's where AI comes in, streamlining the entire dropshipping process and helping you scale your e-commerce empire with ease. AI-powered dropshipping tools can analyze market trends, identify profitable products, and even automate order fulfillment and customer service. Once you start receiving orders, AI can automatically send order details to your suppliers, track shipments, and even handle customer inquiries, freeing up your time to focus on marketing and growing your brand. In today's fast-paced world, it feels like there's never enough time to get everything done. But what if you could delegate some of your tasks to a reliable and efficient virtual assistant? And I'm not talking about hiring a full-time employee, but rather leveraging the power of AI-powered virtual assistants. These digital helpers can handle a wide range of tasks, from managing your schedule and booking appointments to making phone calls, sending emails, and even conducting research. With an AI virtual assistant by your side, you can reclaim your time, reduce stress, and focus on what matters most. Whether you're a student, journalist, podcaster, or business professional, transcribing audio recordings can be a tedious and time-consuming task. But fear not, because AI-powered transcription services are here to save the day, converting your audio to text with remarkable accuracy and speed. These services use advanced speech recognition algorithms to transcribe audio files, such as interviews, lectures, meetings, and podcasts, into text documents that you can easily edit, search, and share. Imagine uploading an hour-long interview recording and receiving a text transcript in just minutes, complete with speaker identification and timestamps. This can save you countless hours of manual transcription work, allowing you to focus on more important tasks. In today's competitive market, understanding your customers' needs and expectations is crucial for success. However, analyzing customer feedback from various sources, such as surveys, reviews, and social media comments, can be overwhelming. That's where AI-powered customer feedback analysis tools come in, helping you make sense of the noise and extract valuable insights to improve your products, services, and overall customer experience. These tools use natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning algorithms to analyze customer feedback, identifying common themes, sentiments, and even specific areas for improvement. This can help you quickly identify areas where you're excelling and areas where you need to improve. In today's globalized world, language barriers can hinder communication, limit opportunities, and prevent businesses from reaching a wider audience. However, AI-powered language translation tools are breaking down these barriers, making it easier than ever to communicate with people from different cultures and expand your reach. These tools use advanced neural machine translation, NMT technology, to translate text and speech between multiple languages with remarkable accuracy and fluency. You can also use AI translation tools to communicate with international clients, partners, or suppliers, fostering stronger relationships and unlocking new opportunities. So there you have it, 15 incredible AI tools that can help you boost your income and achieve financial freedom. From automating tasks and creating content to analyzing data and reaching new markets, the possibilities with AI are truly limitless. Don't forget to comment your thoughts, like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to see it. Remember, the future is now, and it's powered by AI. So what are you waiting for? Start exploring these tools today and unlock your earning potential.